I've been searching for the review of Dasique Pro Concealer Palette in the shade 02 medium cover, but with the real review of the medium deeper skin tone like mine, Southeast Asian woman or someone with like deeper tan skin tone. Because most of the reviewers that I saw, they have like a very light skin and doesn't represent my skin tone. I'm Indonesian. I don't have bright skin tone like Korean. I do have medium skin tone. So if you guys have medium skin tone like me, please keep on watching. I don't know how to read the brand. Is it Dasique? I don't know. But you know what I mean, right? It has 9 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the order of the colors. And this side is darker, so you can know how it's gonna look like on the deeper skin tone. Top one is the yellow one. If the brightness change a little bit, I'm so sorry because I use natural sunlight, so it will actually capture my real skin color. This is to neutralize our discoloration. And how to know which one to use is actually we're looking at the color wheel. If we have redness around our face, we're gonna be using somewhere around this green or blue. We can use the opposite color that we want to correct. I used my sunscreen already, but there's no complexions underneath, so I'm gonna be using this green right here to correct the redness around this area. And tap it here. Ooh, the green is very bright though. Just like this. Blend it out. Oh, tapping. The finish is not really that creamy. It's kind of a little bit powdery though. Did you guys see? This look brighter than my actual skin. It actually neutralized, but it's kind of a little bit lighter than my skin. But yes, it cancel out the redness. Now I'm gonna be using the purple to cancel out discoloration. I've cleaned the brush already. Oh, I should be using my beauty sponge. This is dry beauty sponge. Is it neutralized? I'm not an expert of this color thing, but what do you guys think? If I use only purple, it will turn out like this. I want to try this shade right here and then mix everything together. It looks better. What if I use this shade for here without using the purple? Will these cancel out? Ooh. It is definitely covering. The dark, ooh, it matches my skin. Baby, the shade right here matches my skin and it actually covers my imperfection compared to with only green. This is looking so much better. Like so much better. I wanted to know what if I don't use the purple but I just use this shade here. Ooh! I love this shade. Looking just good. Oh my god, it looks so much better. The concealer, no joke, really good and it covers. It is looking very natural but covering my acne discoloration really well. Really well. The finish is soft matte. If you use something like this, like a concealer brush, you could definitely tap it without leaving a mark on your face. You can also cover with hands though. This is still work for medium skin, but if you have like deeper skin tone, you can use this one. I don't know what to use for my eyes. Usually people will use orange or peachy. I don't know, maybe this one, the most obvious peachy orange in the palette. I clean the brush. I think this is the most orange this palette has. And let's see. Oh, this is definitely very bright. I'm gonna blend it with my hand and let's see. I think this is so light, see? This is very light. Kind of works though. It is correcting, but it's too light. Okay, so I'm mixing this and this. I want to know whether it will like cover better or not. It's still very bright. It's not just correcting, but making it very bright. So, what if I mix this with the one that I use here? Let's see. I hope it works. Oh my god, it is still very bright. The color corrector for the under eyes is very bright. I don't know if I use only this one, maybe it will work better here. Ooh, this is definitely a winning color. Okay guys, please comment down below what do you think about this under eye correction right here. Is it correcting or is it making my eyes looking ashy? I don't know. What do you guys think? Just comment down below. I want to try the darkest shade right here. Maybe it can contour my nose. Ah. It's not dark enough, guys. It's not dark enough for contouring. It's even almost the perfect match for my skin. It's not giving me any color, like the color here looking dark, but when I swatch it, it's not even that dark. If you have a deeper skin tone than mine, this definitely cannot work. Let me see if this color, if I use this, oh my god, it's not even that dark. For real. It blends with my skin just like that. I use the darkest one and still it's not that dark. See? Use it to spot concealing. It's not even that dark. It's just matched. I am for real using this one, but when I swatch it, it's almost like a perfect match for my skin. How come? Even the darkest shade, it's just like covering normal acne scar on my face. That's why this one looks brighter, because this shade match my skin. See, I already make a contour, but it doesn't really show anything. Did you guys see? Just match my skin. Yeah. Okay, so the conclusion for this palette right here, the Dasique Pro Concealer Palette in the shade medium is definitely works if you have medium or medium light skin tone. If you have a deeper skin tone than mine, this is definitely too bright for you and not contrast enough, especially if you have tan skin, deeper skin tone. The orange is not really that orange enough to actually cover your under eye area. The shade is very muted but not deep enough, not contrast enough for deeper skin tone. If you have like deeper skin tone, you're gonna need something more contrast. You need more pigment on the color. This one is a very shy color. If you have like light skin tone, this one can also work for you because I think this is still very bright. If you have like a deeper skin tone, this is not for you. I would not really recommend this palette. Just so you know my skin tone and what foundation color I usually use. For the international brand, I'm boycotting Maybelline, but this is just for color reference. My color for Maybelline is 128 warm nude. My undertone is neutral to warm. So that is my review for Dasique Concealer Palette 02 Medium Cover. What do you guys think? If you have any question or just want to share what to review and try next, please leave the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you. See you guys on my next one. Bye!